Hi there, Yogi, Virendra Yogi, a man who believes in truth, justice, peace, love and non-violence, and a world where there is a lot of kindness, compassion, care, cooperation, all embracing each other, not only mankind but birds, beasts, animals and plants. They're the dreams of Jesus and Buddha, and all the great Lord Rama and Krishna and all the wisest men like Abraham Lincoln and Gandhi and they only want everyone has to be peaceful. Everyone has to be having all the blessings of the inventions and discoveries, and there has to be enlightened beings on earth embracing each other and encouraging each other to shed their impure thoughts, that is greed, anger, hatred, jealousy, cynical thoughts and egotism, and believe in the short nature of our lives, the transitory nature of lives, and reminding them the Darwin's theory of evolution, where all birds, beasts, animal, plants and humans are interconnected, inclusive. We represent the entire environment. The planet Mother Earth is having surplus and plenty for everyone. So we have to have harmony with our environmental system. For this we want some kind of education and some kind of feeding our mind the noble thoughts, the noble truth, that is love all, care for all, create a world where there is joy, where there is peace, where there is serenity, where there is perfect harmony, and that is possible once we saturated our mind by auto-suggestions or reaffirmations, repeatedly feeding our mind with such great thoughts. Yogi, Virendra Yogi, which is I myself, learned this when I started teaching yoga to the millions of the people in India and connecting myself with the world. Yoga is a Sanskrit word meaning yuj, unite, join together, come together. First start with your body and mind, and when your body is very strong and mind is really saturated with the truth, justice, peace, love and non-violence, then you become a perfect being, and then you will have kindness and compassion. Beloved friends, that has become really a very torturing effect on my mind, because when I see people quarreling, fighting, eating, beating, destroying the nature, killing animals, birds, beasts and plants, and they are just self-centered, greedy people, angry people, hateful people, cynical people, I start worrying much, and my whole peace of mind is eroded. My heart starts bleeding because they are myself. Everyone is myself, because yogi means the spiritual wisdom. The world is ours. The world is one. The world is our family. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, and all the living creatures, birds, fish, animals, plants and humans, they are just like our soul. We have the similar feeling. So I start having that kind of illumination, that kind of enlightening effect on my mind. So I don't like to live in this world which is so much turbulent, which is so much painful, because the angry, the greedy, the indolent, the ignorant, the useless, foolish human being is destroying everything. That has really created so much pain to me. So I request the enlightened beings of this planet Earth, if you want to be happy and live a particular stipulated and defined period of life on this earth, learn to love each other, not only humans but birds, fish, animals, plants. Calm down, let all the evil thoughts evaporate from your mind, and all the wise thoughts should have permanent shelter and abode in your mind. That is the real meaning. And always think, Sarve Bhantu Sukhina, Sarve Shantu Niramaya, Sarvadrani Pashyantu, Ma Kasyat Dukbhag Bhave. Let everyone be happy. Let everyone be free from all worries, anxieties and fear. Let everyone have a positive mental attitude. Let the entire world have open-mindedness, and the mind is fully saturated and mind is engaged in a level of love which is tending taking us towards a harmonious world where all are loving each other, caring for each other. Dear friends, look at around what is happening. The nations are fighting. They are accumulating weapons of mass destruction. There is a possibility of Third World War because the world is divided in two parts. One is led by America, other is led by Russia. And there is a flashpoint of nuclear war between Iran and America. I request the wisest people of the world, calm down your mind. Let the presidents and let the power mongers to use their power of intelligence, wisdom and wealth for lifting the suffering humanity from poverty, illiteracy, malnutrition, ignorance, indolence and thoughtlessness. Let the world slowly start loving and caring for each other. There are millions and millions people on earth which are so kind and generous, but there are billions, majority, 98 to 99% who are just like beasts, selfish, greedy, angry, cynical thoughts. Come on, arise, awake and unite for a common cause, for world peace, where there is nobody hungry, not even my beloved dogs and pets. Nobody is killing, nobody is violent, nobody is angry, because they all have fed in their mind